Hi, I'm CJ and this is my RC hobby. I'm shooting this outside because I needed room. I wanted to show you the large glider transport bag and the small glider transport bag. Both of these are made by Turnigy, and I got them from Hobby King. They're not very expensive. The large bag was, I think it was around $20 on sale. The small bag was only $9. I had gotten this one first, and after I saw how large it was, I thought I'd get one of these as well, especially at that price point. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how they load up with a couple of gliders. The main difference isn't just the size, the length of the wingspan, it's the cord of the wing, as you can see. So if you've got a wide wing, even if it's not as short, you're going to want the larger bag. And the bags, each of them has in the wing compartment, there's a center divider with some padding in it to keep the two wings halves apart from each other and prevent things like the control horns from gouging into the plastic. It isn't very thick, so it's pretty solid. It's firm padding, so you might want to put a little extra padding on the wing, like a little bit of bubble wrap or something along those lines, but it may not be necessary. Anyway, I'm gonna load up a couple gliders and show you how they work. Now this is the Phoenix 1600, and it's got a 1600 millimeter wingspan, or 63 inches. As you can see, these wings just barely fit in. In fact, I can't get them all the way down because of how snug this is. Maybe in time it'll stretch out a little bit, but okay, that might be the problem. I have the control horn caught there. There we go. Okay. There we go. So it's very snug. You got to watch the control horns, and that's just the perfect size. Anything larger, as far as the wing cord, and it just wouldn't fit. Now each of them have a little side pocket. So, for example, the wing joining tube and any other small items can be tucked in here. This may need to go elsewhere. So there we go. Both bags have backpack straps and a single shoulder strap. And that strap can be hooked on either side. There's a loop left and right. So let's try a larger plane and the big bag. Now I have this folded over. The large bag has a closure for the top. So if the wings are all the way in there, you can protect them from the rain if it starts raining. Now, this is a 2-meter glider, so these are total wingspan of 78 inches or 1 meter each side. Now I have gliders that have a larger wingspan, but I wanted to use this wing because this wing has the largest chord. That's the leading edge to trailing edge distance, the largest of any of the gliders I have. So this bag can carry a glider that is almost a foot longer. So 2 meters plus 2 feet, if you're looking for a number on that. And there we go. 2 gliders packed and ready to go. So as you can see, it fits nice and easy. It's very comfortable. Doesn't seem to move around or be any kind of problem. So if you're taking your glider some distance away from your vehicle, like you're climbing a hill to do some slope soaring, this is a great item to have. I like it. I'm really looking forward to using it. I think even just taking the airplane to the field, I'm probably going to be using this because it makes it a lot easier to carry everything in the car, and it's a little bit of protection for it. The small bag also fits quite well. It's very comfortable. It is a little tight even for the Phoenix 1600, so if you are looking for one of these, I would opt for the larger. It's going to give you the most flexibility, but if you have a handful of small planes, having this one as well might not be a bad idea. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.